We got up very early this morning, got ourselves ready, then get all the kids ready, get a quick bite to eat, and it's just everybody pumped and excited about the great things we're going to do in Marching for Babies. We get to the park, and it's just a day full of excitement just to see so many families out, all the wonderfully designed shirts, and just the family coming together for such a great cause, and all the support from the different corporations. It is very breathtaking. Every year I have to stop and just take a breath and just take it all in and just be so thankful for the March of Dimes, because without them we wouldn't be here. At 22 weeks, everything just changed, you know, just like lightning struck, and my water broke, and my husband had to rush me to the hospital. And then Q was delivered via emergency C-section at 24 weeks. And after that, it's a blur. When they told me he was out, he didn't cry, there was no noise, you still just heard the hustle and bustle of the healthcare team.
They said that Q probably would not make it through the week because he was born way too soon. They gave him surfactant and they gave him some other treatment. There's a lot of things you learn that are supposed to happen in utero that don't happen when you're born premature.
Babies aren't meant to be born this early.
Baby Q's NICU journey was a roller coaster. Q suffered a brain bleed and experienced retinopathy of prematurity. He needed continuous ventilator support and had countless blood transfusions while fighting off infection after infection. 4 frightening months in the NICU came and went before baby Q could finally come home. Today, babies like Q are getting a fighting chance thanks to corporations, families, and people like you. The money you raise funds research and programs focused on preventing premature birth and gives families in the NICU much-needed hope and support.
March for Babies is one place where you're surrounded by so many people who get it.
I walk because I believe all of our babies have the right to be free from disease.
It's amazing all these people that come out to support, I'm sure because they personally have been affected, or their friends or families have. It's nice to have people come out and come together and support a cause like this that is so important to giving babies the best start possible.
March of Dimes and the March for Babies Walk is the single organization and event that we want to rally around and get behind. So we have a tremendous amount of support that helps in that cause.
Anytime that our customers have an opportunity to give back to their community, it builds a stronger foundation. And the March of Dimes and Publix just goes hand in hand with building a stronger community across the Southeast.
There's not many people that haven't been touched in our communities by a premature delivery of a newborn child. It's something that resonates so soundly with our associates. It's something that they can rally around.
The co-chair for the March for Babies campaign in Dallas was actually the COO from Methodist Healthcare System. Q was born at one of their facilities.
The employees at Methodist have that passion of care, so they understand the importance of raising money. And Tanya was so moving that having someone like that and realizing that we had an impact and that the outcome was extremely positive, everybody felt happy and willing to give even more.
Just seeing Q actually eventually go home, just seeing him starting to thrive as a little boy, you get personal gratification from all that work when you see it actually help a child do better.
Get that long walk done. We just have some fun, let our hair down, and we really have some fun over there, and remembering what we're here for is for the babies.
We really celebrate and see everyone that's participating in the March for Babies today as family.
There's nothing more important really than our kids, than our children, and giving them the best possible fighting chance from the moment of birth onward. I can't think of a more worthy cause to get involved with.
It's just, the whole day is just really special.
We're here for all the babies. It's not just the premature babies, it's the full-term babies, it's the healthy babies, it's the sick babies, it's the babies who aren't here anymore. And they all need to be celebrated today.
Because of the March of Dimes, we have my son.
You can help give babies a healthy start in life. Sign up and start raising crucial funds at marchforbabies.org. Start a team on the March for Babies online fundraising tool. It's the easiest way to set a goal, connect with donors, and begin raising money.
I raised just over $12,000 last year, which was just unbelievable.
Alameda County has
given in excess of $350,000.
So far, in the name of babies, Team Kernan's just shy of $450,000 over the last 8 years. So,
March for Babies!
That's right.
Help babies have a healthy start. Give hope to real families. Sign up today at marchforbabies.org.